What is Creativebug? Creativebug is an online resource that provides unlimited access to thousands of arts and craft classes that you can watch anytime, anywhere. And you can start and stop projects at your own pace. No pressure, just possibilities. In this video, you'll get a brief overview of how to access it and what it can do. Start at the library's homepage, cphlibrary.org. Click Research, Crafts. Scroll down and click Access Now. Enter your library card number and PIN. This is usually the last 4 digits of the phone number you used when you got your library card. And click the red Login button. Create an account by entering your name, an email address, and a password of your choice. Once you complete this step and click the red Submit button, you will use your email address and password to access Creativebug the next time you stop by, not your library card number. This is Creativebug's main page. Clicking on the red Creativebug icon in the upper left-hand corner, wherever you are in the database, will always bring you back here. Let's dive in and look for a craft. One way to do this is by typing in the search bar the type of craft you're interested in doing. I'm going to search for garland. 36 projects relating to garlands were found. Scrolling down a little bit, I've found a project that interests me. Hovering the mouse over the project gives me the option to view more information about the instructor or the option to view a class. I'm going to click on the red View Class button. This takes you to the project. Clicking the image will start your video. At the bottom of the video, you will see navigation buttons for pausing, rewinding 10 seconds, closed captioning, and more. Directly under the video, you will see some important links: description, chapters, materials, gallery, notes, watch list, and transcript. Clicking on a link shows more information directly under the video. A couple of points to note. First, if the project you've chosen has a lot of video, it might be broken down into chapters. Clicking the chapters link will list the videos separately. Second, if you found a project that you'd like to save for later, you can save it to your watch list by clicking the watch list icon. Scrolling to the top of the screen, you will see in the upper right-hand corner a link to your account. Click on it to see a list of handy tools, like Recently Watched, and My Watch List, where you can see videos that you saved. If you'd prefer to browse Creativebug for classes, hover your mouse over Classes at the top of the screen. Then hover over the type of craft you're interested in. I'm hovering over Paper, and click the listing that interests you. I'm going to click For Beginners. Now I have a list of papercraft videos for beginners. I hope you had fun learning a little bit about Creativebug and what it can do. Feel free to contact the library by following this link if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.